Dear ladies and gentlemen, dear my fellow citizens of United States, I am MD PhD academic research scientist and the author of pioneering reverse pathway hypothesis and research project, which will change immunology and the central dogma of molecular biology and will bring to United States not just the Nobel Prize, but also novel multi-billion super antibody technology for very effective treatment of cancer, autoimmune and infectious diseases, including Ebola virus disease. I have demonstrated, well-defended and published my pioneering reverse pathway hypothesis and research project in the second International Conference on Genomics in the Americas in September 2013. All interested specialists, immunologists, and just everybody can get more information about it from the next websites. After 5 years digging in molecular immunology, I have found out that the random series of contemporary molecular immunology, which is explaining events happening in synthesis of immune globulins, antibodies, in B lymphocytes, is just wrong and couldn't explain many events. For example, so-called hypermutation of immunoglobulin genes, which is million times more than mutation rates of other genes in the cells. It is obvious that such high degree of hypermutation in the immunoglobulin genes, theoretical and practical impossible, and therefore wrong. After careful analyzing of all possible scientific data, I have found out that there is not random events at all in the rearrangements and addition of nucleotides in the immunoglobulin genes in B lymphocytes. Having very strong scientific database in my hand, I hypothesized that there are in B lymphocytes has undiscovered yet a naturally existing reverse pathway mechanism which passes exact genetic template information from polypeptide antigen epitopes to VDJ section of immunoglobulin genes in B lymphocytes. It is very strong statement which will change not only immunology but also the central dogma of molecular biology. Discovering of natural existing reverse pathway mechanism in B lymphocytes will enable medical engineering scientists of high-tech companies to create very effective antibodies against cancer, autoimmune, and infectious diseases. But despite of my project is one of the best projects in immunology and whole medical sciences in the world, I couldn't develop my pioneering and very important research project in California universities and National Institute of Health because of existing illegal nationalistic religious mafia-like bureaucratic administration of these institutions, which are not serving to United States national interest and forcing me to do my research in the foreign countries. But it means that United States will lose not only the best scientific achievement in immunology, but also a novel multi-billion superantibody technology for very effective treatment of cancer and infectious diseases. Today, I am officially addressing and asking help to the nation, the President and Congress of United States about that. At the present time, they are not comparable for their life-changing potency of medical biological research projects in whole universities and National Institute of Health of United States compare with my reverse pathway research project. which will change whole immunology and the central dogma of molecular biology, and will bring the Nobel Prize and also novel, very effective treatment methods for treating cancer, infectious, and autoimmune diseases. Let me to do this life-changing discovery of century in United States, but not in foreign countries, forcing me to do my pioneering research in the foreign countries is sabotage against United States scientific developments and national interest of United States. It is criminal negligence, sabotage towards thousands cancer and infectious disease patients in United States and world. I am ready to public TV debate with any top specialist in immunology area about it. Let all specialists and whole United States nation will see that I am right. In the next time I will talk about existence of illegal nationalistic religious mafia-like organization in the public universities, National Institute of Health, which are part of illegal all-state religious nationalistic mafia-like organization in the United States, which is also controls on radio, TV propaganda machines, financial, religious, and political institutions of United States, which are internally degrading of democratic basis of United Nations and government. Thanks.